What's up, beautiful people? This video is going to be so much fun. It's going to talk about the trajectory of what we will be doing in the future, as well as give way to a giveaway. I think it's time for a giveaway, just because. Let's get to it, y'all. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another video. My name is Ricky Jones Jr. I love doing my front yard garden. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I mean, our goal is to reach as many people as we can. So go ahead and subscribe. Please hit that bell notification and go ahead and smash that like button even before you know what's to come, because something great is on the way. Now, what I do want to talk about is what and how this here channel, these videos will go and flow going forward, okay? And so what I want to do is to be able to be more of a vlogger, okay? Do more vlogging style of what's going on in the garden, what will be happening in the backyard, as we talked about on Friday. So make sure y'all go see that, because that was some very, very interesting things that we will be doing on this here channel and doing in the backyard. But more than anything, I want to be able to walk you along the journey of what it takes and what goes a part and what is a part of having a garden. And as you all know, and as you all can see, I do have a front yard garden. There's a whole street right here. Nonetheless, the garden is back here to my back, which I'm also excited about. And so the reason why we are making the change and shift in how these videos will come across on this here channel, because the whole idea and purpose of this channel is to encourage people to start gardens, that they can do it and know how to do it in the various ways, okay? So more than anything, my heart's desire is that these videos are encouraging to people as they see them, that they know that they too can garden. I do not come from a garden background or parents that were into gardens and things like that, but I do have a desire to grow my own healthy food for my family and for those that I love. And so the garden came about. It started with one square 4 foot by 4 foot, and we have grown to multiple raised beds, a whole keyhole situation with square foot gardening going along here. And I see the various comments and things that come across the different videos and things like that, people encouraging me, saying how they love how the garden looks and things looks all uniform, nice and dandy and things like that, in which I love. Those are the type of comments, those are the type of encouraging words that are the desire of each and every video, okay? So I'm showing you inevitably what you can do, because I mean, like I just said, it's not something that I went to school for, it's not something that I was raised around or raised doing, but it was something that I had a desire to do. And with the desire came the willingness to learn, to grow, pun intended, and to do these videos for us all, okay? So like I said, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Know that more content and things like this are on the way. However, we do have a giveaway that I do want to do that will further the reach of this here channel. And so as you all know, there's a join button, or if you don't know, now you know, there's a join button next to the subscribe button on this channel, because we do have a gardening squad. We have a gardening squad. I like to say squad and family, like community. Those are all the same to me. Squad, family, community, group, whatever you call it, we call it squad. So we do have a gardening squad on this here channel, and the whole idea and purpose of that squad is for us as gardeners to come together, share ideas, encourage each other, let one another know what's going on in our particular area, what we tried, what we didn't try, what worked, what didn't work, and so forth and so on, okay? And so the idea is for that gardening squad, gardening community, gardening group, gardening family to grow all around this world, even so much that we have merch that further shows how when you get the merch, you're a part of the gardening family, you're part of the gardening squad. And as others get the merch, as others get the shirts and things like that and wear it, you'll come in contact with other people that are part of the family, and we're just gonna create this whole incubator or family or community or squad or group of people that are here for each other, encouraging, growing, and living life to the fullest, the most healthiest way, okay? But nonetheless, with that being said, what we want to do is for the giveaway to give away 4 spots to the gardening squad, okay? 4 spots. So what that means is there's a fee to be in the family and things like that, because there's some perks that come along with it, as well as live videos, and we'll do different talks. We're gonna have 2 talks this month, okay? And there's other perks that along with it. As you click to join, you'll see the different perks. However, what I want to do is cash out 4 people the cost to be in the squad, okay? 4 people, and the desire is for 4 people to be from 4 different states, okay? Now, why? You may be wondering, why is that important to have 4 different states? Well, again, the idea is to have people all around this world. We're gonna start in the US right now. However, there are people watching from Canada, South Africa, Australia, Mexico, other countries and things like that. However, we're gonna start here because as we grow, we'll be able to reach and actually physically go to those different states and things like that and do different videos and do different group meetups and things like that. That's what I really wanna do. But nonetheless, what we're gonna do, 4 people, 4 different states. Comment down below. Let me know that you would love to be a part or like to be a part or really want to be a part of the gardening squad. And I will pick 4 different people from 4 different states that comment down below. That's all you have to do. I'm gonna send it to you. Make sure you have Cash App because that's the way I'm gonna send the money to you so that you can go ahead and drop that into the gardening squad and you can be a part, okay? And you also will be able to be a part of the perks as well that comes along with it. And so that's the live videos that we're gonna do. That's the merch discounts or discount to the merch store. All the other things that's in there. You see it when you click it. Boom shakalaka. It's just like that. But nonetheless, I love you all, man. I'm so excited about how we're going to propel in the future. I do know some how-tos are gonna come about and things like that, but more than anything, I want to show you what it's like to actually have a garden and the different things that you have to do within the garden for it to thrive, for things to grow, and for you to have a harvest. Even over there, like that butter crunch lettuce, I can eat those leaves. I was thinking about whether or not I wanted to go pick one and eat one, but I'm gonna clean it before I eat it. I'm just gonna pick it and eat it like I did the peas over there that one time. But nonetheless, with that being said, I love you all. I thank you all. Thank you for entertaining me. Thank you for being along this journey with me. And I look forward to your garden growing, this garden growing, and us growing together. Man, that was awesome. I was gonna try to say it again, but I'm gonna have to just replay it and excite myself all over. But with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. And I look forward to the next video, okay? I hope you are too. See you then. Peace. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Here's the time. 1, 2, 3. Click. Thank y'all. Peace. Love you.